packed. I need something to hold on to. Here we go again. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop life. Hey everyone. So today we're doing a tiny little bit of a KARD catch up. In case you're wondering where I've been, I've said it a lot now on this channel, but I've had like internet troubles for a long time. I didn't have internet at all for 2 months, and then when it came back, it's been really slow ever since. I've had it back for like 20 days now, and it's very slow. We're trying to figure out what's going on, and it's taking a while. But I'm doing my best to slowly but surely do what I can to fix that issue and still upload content. So today we've got 2 songs. KARD, Fireworks by KARD, and then Lowkey by BM, which will be my first ever BM solo song. So let's just hop right on in with Fireworks by KARD. Let's go. Does this have lyrics? It does not have lyrics. Okay, we're just gonna have to live without them. I like the way they're all still. Somin looks gorgeous. Look at her. Also you do. She's my girl too. Beautiful. Sound good to oh my gosh, they all look so pretty. What's love without trust? I'll be right here for you. It's like if Latin. It sounds kind of if Latin like Latin club music is what I'm gonna say this sounds like to me, and I like it a lot. Also, Matthew looking gorgeous. Matthew. What's love without trust? I'll be right here for you. Oh, God, excellent. Ugh. Love is fireworks. I like this. It's so light. It's so cute. Love is fireworks. 그 아름답던 추억을 돌아보게 돼. A beautiful life. 혼자가 아니라 가능했던. Okay. God, I love. Honestly, I could wax poetic about the way J.Seph raps. Love is fireworks. Love is fireworks. By the way, the camera does not do J.Seph justice. I've seen that man up close and personal in real life now. One of the most beautiful people I've ever seen. That's true for all 3 of them, but J.Seph, he's one of those people where like the camera does not. Just does not. My everything all for you. Burning up. Love is fireworks. Look at BM showing his titties off in the background, by the way. I saw it, BM. Saw your cleavage. Live every day to me, 날아가. Let it out. Shine on me, shine like the star that you are. I've always been here up inside you, inside of your heart. You ain't gotta look far. I really appreciate about KARD how they are all allowed to be themselves in terms of styling and everything. Like Jiwoo seems to really like oversized clothing, or like more like, you know, like traditionally male clothing items, whereas Somin seems to really like leaning into like a bit more of sexy and like tight and all that. With the guys, you also kind of have that, like, where BM is constantly showing skin and J.Seph isn't, and I like that. I like that they all get to, like, seemingly, I mean, I don't know them, but I like that they all kind of get to do what they want to, and it's not like, it's like, this comeback, you gotta show skin, you know, like, I kind of like that. Who the hell's high note was that? Jiwoo was that? Ooh, that was gorgeous. Fireworks. That's so cute. I love this song, it's pretty. It's very much so kind of a summer jam, which I don't think this song came out anywhere close to summer. Yeah, it came out in November, but it sounds very summery. Which, to be fair, is kind of par for course for KARD, isn't it? That's kind of their thing. A lot of their songs sound like summer jams. I like them though. But yeah, next up, slash finally, slash second in this video, we've got Lowkey by BM. I'm very terrified. I've never heard a BM song. There's a very real possibility I won't like it, because I don't know if I like him as a soloist. There's a possibility I'll be obsessed with it. I don't know how clothed he's going to be, but I have the feeling it is going to be very little. So there's that. So yeah, let's just go with Lowkey by BM. Bit scared. Very scared. Let's go. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, it's just, yep, he's just immediately, just immediately, you know, I don't know who she, okay, those jeans are very low. Okay, it's fine. Sorry, but his hair is styled very prettily. Okay. 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 Oh no. How explicit are we gonna be? Okay. I like, first of all, I really like this instrumental already. I can be a bit fussy with very obvious and strong use of voice filters, but I like it. I like it. And he looks real good. Ooh, I like that one. Pull up again. Party going crazy and it's full of all tins. Oh damn, okay. Damn, look at them titties. Damn. Matthew. I wanna test your stamina. Ass so fat, like, can you handle this diameter? Jesus Christ, Matthew. Seen you when we locked ass quick. Shorty made a wait over, started talking that shit like, I wanna test your stamina. Ass so fat, like, can you handle this diameter? Amateur, baby, I'm the furthest thing from it. I'ma give you good love and get the bed where to flood it with you. Ooh, hey, we gon' make a move. Ass so fat, like, can you handle this diameter? Amateur, baby, I'm the furthest thing from it. I'ma give you good love and get the bed where to flood it with you. Ooh, hey, we gon' make a move. Hey, put it work like it's my duties. You ain't fucking with no goofy. In the party with my woodies. Henny in my body got me loaded. Bad vibes, that's so we don't. I need a second. I mean, I know it's Matthew, but he really said that. Oh man, okay, Matthew, I feel like I shouldn't be here. I feel like I shouldn't see this. This is 100% how he seduces the ladies in the club. Look at him. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, it's fine. What are you doing, Matthew? I saw him say on Twitter, "Oh, no innuendos this time." I didn't think he was like, I mean, I should have thought he was saying, "I'm just gonna say it," but I didn't. I didn't.
When she put it on the floor, show me how you got like, oh, she real flossy, mixed with the little bossy.
You know, I think BM has fun. I think BM has fun. Just saying. I think he gets around if he wants to, and I think he wants to, and I think he has fun.
And I'm like, you ain't seen nothing.
Matthew.
We gon' make a move. Put it away like it's my dude.
Jesus Christ.
You ain't fucking with them. In the body with my woodies.
But I am fucking apparently. I mean, I'm not saying, oh, Jesus Christ, look at the way his body be moving. He's looking, oh my gosh. I still feel like this is a little NSFW. I feel like it shouldn't be here. The problem is she's also really gorgeous, and I wouldn't mind being a part of that gorgeous people sandwich. Just saying. I do be bi, that's why I'm into KARD, so if you do need a third, just saying, I'm available. That was a lot, which I should have expected but didn't. Well, I expected it to be a lot, but I don't know if I expected it to be that much. Yeah, it was beautiful and gorgeous, and I wasn't quite prepared. I actually really like the way the song sounds. Do y'all want me to do a full BM solo video? Because I kind of want to do one, so let me know if you want that. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I plan to keep up with KARD and maybe start doing some album reactions if you want to see that. But yeah, that's it for me for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!